Alright, now I'm approaching Marquette, Michigan. Wow, look, they got a beach right here by the power plant. Alright, I'm in downtown Marquette, trying to figure out what this structure is. This is not in service anymore. It was an ore loading chute. It came in actually from the other side of town out to the dock here, and they could load up big freighters with iron ore. We're on the iron ore trail. And the structure that I'm talking about, is the Lower Harbor ore dock. That would be it. This is a iron pocket, ore pocket dock. Ore pocket dock. Opened in 1931, closed in 1971. So they could load the ships much, much faster. Here's a picture of it right here. Trains would come down, dump it in the ore pocket dock. Ships would come alongside and load up. Alright, this is down at the harbor, downtown. Scene of the festivities. People are coming down. Probably going to have a fireworks show here tonight, too. And this is a hotel, motel. Alright, we got the pronunciation right. Pocket ore dock. And this place is getting to be lively for sure. Okay, I'm looking for a pasty. It's the 4th of July in Marquette, Michigan. This will be the scene of the fireworks show later on tonight. These people are already ready. And I stand corrected, this is Marquette, Michigan. And I'm on the bike path, cruising along the harbor. It's pretty nice. The Lake Superior Theater at the yacht yard. I don't see too many theaters at the yacht yard with a crane. It's a U.S. Coast Guard station in Marquette. Look where these people are set up. Nice spot. Got off the harbor bicycle pathway and I'm going up the shady side of the street. It's pretty hot today. Where the big houses are. This fine house with, what is that plant blooming there? And another fine house on the hill. Yet another lovely house on the hill. This is colonial style. And look at this, it's a Gothic style house on the hill. And something's going on across the road there. Family get together, party for 4th of July, I don't know. One lovely house right after another. And you need plants? Go ahead and grab them. No, I don't do that. And apartments right downtown. I think they call this a mansard roof. You know, I've seen plenty of odd things on front porches. It's mostly couches, but I've never seen a bathtub on the front. Look at this church. And look at that stone there. I wonder if that's sandstone or limestone. Certainly a beautiful color. This is Ridge Road, Falls Episcopal Church. And they don't use this entrance anymore. 1875. Boy, what a lovely building. Another nice old Victorian house. There's another fine old church. And look at those twin steeples. The First Methodist Church. There's nice flowers. And what would this lovely 1903 building be? Why, it's a beautiful post office. Wow. I mean, I'm sorry, it's a library. Boy, isn't that classy? There's the Landmark Inn. Sign saying what kind it is. The color of the stone. Beautiful old stone buildings. Look at this lovely old savings bank. 1891. Beautiful stone. It's the Boomerang Retro and Relics. It's the Delft Theater. Lovely old building. Lovely little park, and I think Mary Poppins may have been here. This is an Art Deco building, and it's a sports bar beside the Delft, the post office and courthouse. All these old buildings have this lovely architecture. And here's City Hall. Look at City Hall. Wow. Now that is a lovely building there. Obviously Victorian. I want to see a date on it. This, I think, is a campus of Northern Michigan University. Right up the road. This part. It's all decorated. Why, here's the campus. Home of the Wildcats. This is the Lakeshore Scenic Drive. Got a bike path. Swimmers, cyclists. Look at that, right on the lake. Sand dune and you're at the lakeshore. Imagine what it's like when storms are pounding us in the wintertime. It's hoodoo time. Hoodoo. Hoodoo. It is, the lake is lapping up on these rocks here. I can see why they're here. Big power plant. And thus a functioning ore dock. Still works. They haul it down on trains, put it in the dock, the ships come alongside and load it up. Part of the university. And here's another beach down here that I just passed. Imagine what it's like in a winter storm. Wow, what a racket. You made it. Where do people from Marquette go to the beach at on the 4th of July? Right here at the ore dock. You see the railroad cars on the top of it? They dump the ore out into those bins. Tankers pull alongside and load up. Kids have been at work here. There's the ore dock. The power plant. The coal is loaded on this conveyor belt here off the ships. Goes to the coal mine, and the iron ore is offloaded from the ore dock. Comes off the chute, goes over to this pile right over here, and is burned. And there it be. And there's an old ore train, I guess. Presque Isle. Wow. Look at this. It's a marina and a park. That's a nice park. Perfect place and a perfect day, 4th of July. for a cookout. Right on the water. Right on the water. Horseless carriage. Wow. That is cool. They even got the picnic basket there.
Seeing you again.
This is a breakwater for the ore dock. Wow, look at that view. And here comes a schooner. What a lovely day for sailing. Here we go with a panorama. This is the lakeside. Notice the water, the waves. This is the protected side. Tiny little wind-blown waves. Hoodoos sprang up everywhere. It's the 4th of July. It's a lovely summer day. It's a perfect time for a cookout. We have this lovely one-way drive, 2 miles, I guess, along the lake shore. Nice. You can have a picnic right here or go for a bike ride. Look, the canopy is so thick, it's like a tunnel. Wow, I should get my bicycle off. So cool, so refreshing. No traffic. Yes. I guess it's like a shelter or indoor cooking area. Pasty, you gotta go to Irontown. Irontown pasties, there it is.